Mwanchu murigereria na gukwalirira ndonsi ya soberete ase margoba yabono chinga kichinde na nego kwaligania semesa ya mangana mayeri nkomanye gatiere twabere to gukwaliganiria korwa semambia yarenge ntambo yakachinse chigabono chia bono margoba titariki ni 15 omutenyo gatatu mwaka bwechiri ubere na 2022 rituko neria jumene na manga yoraka okolekana ekerekeliwe obomo bwa UDA na boigo bali barabwatane bomera na sensemo ya Kasarani ekero bakwanda mange rituko oliarero ayomo nenda mange na kwaliganire twemanya senchira ayobo ikiranu olitoko bwatera nere kurwa somuno wemanyirio ni gakuruka Joshua Uta iritirane nkuruko Vincent Onyancha. Na ni gotogo chaka kurwa sensemo ya siasa nene kumurikira se county ya Nyamira oyokoligie kero kyobo jumbe kurwa se bunge ya North Mogrango ya Nyamira North county ya Nyamira Kennedy Masongo nigagendrete neganga ya hiyo wea kirekoko asogo chikoligie kero gekia sobo chorio bonebole bosio kaukwana maiga yogotara chinsemo aho nigate ya unegange nene no guchikoenekia unabana nkonyara bale chibasari gati ya yanda mange unomulikito kurwa se kaunti ya Nyamira Jobu Mahangi agotomanya.
Oyokoligia ekerogo kyobo bunge bwensemo ya North Mogrango Kennedy Masongo nabekerwa egutua asegetigia kerenyo.
Na inje bumna lingana lya oligo tebanga nayo tayari gwati oligo mugambi. Asante.
Lituko lya lero ekera abogo chaka chikambeni chaye naru eirabuna nachi gokorera abamenyi benseme yo amagenderero nateba nachi korwa chibasa lya tabwati gwanterera konde wonsi abeke estima na koleme bisima bya mache
Iwanda yetu wale constituency of North Mogrango esawa the boss go Guatemala esawa the boss go kwa treated equally esawa kwa project which was achieved in the government serikali the national constituency development fund chikole asilia abana wetu wasome abana wetu wanyora mache nando muri chipara chito muya
nasaba bamenyi bensemo ya Nyamira komochora Raila Odinga kuna umurayora chikoreta amagenderero asense ya Kenya
ando mondore ko mwako liane agenda egejega igatinje ninje ko ikasano mwako liane ninje ko sopa ke beru milioni mwako liane komo kame kura dinero mwaka Raila amoro Odinga
Abaraibande batene namba mwakera Masongo ekoko puna umurayora chikoreta magenderero asensemo ya North Mogrango.
Tumeanza safari rasmi kuelekea Ikulu tupeleke mheshimiwa Kennedy Masongo. Ndoto mabekera ataparelela azi omwezimiwa zidievu abantu bali bakanyora chipasari obaligereria tobase tongano inche tinye tageti ka abantu bali batakore tiki batabuati
igo inche ntaete ko basababu no mwa MCO ino ogochiko isaransa chitariki kianda mutienyo 8 2022.
Thank you.
Nitaingia pale Nyamira ili tuweze kushirikiana na viongozi wengine tuweze kuhakikisha kama nyinyi wananchi mko sawa, sivyo?
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwe county ya Nyamira eretariane Job Mahangi.
Biyamono umulikito Job Mahangi kurwa se county ya Nyamira sorobocho rwa senchira yobwikiranu bono gotigara boiga sensemo ya siasa oyokoligie kero kyobo jumbe kurwa ase bunge yabo basi Emmanuel Magucha Mwange nigatebere buna basaini gobero bere bwikiranu asobocho lyobonene bole bosio umulikito Brian Sagnisena norobocho rwa senchira yobwikiranu.
amatuko Amayia Ensa 42 atigaire bosi bw'obochorio bonene bw'omwaka oyo chinga kia baraina abanasiasa bagendererete kwebanga na kwebwatania n'emirengo ya gesiasa ase ekaunti ya Kisii nigo siasa chioyo korigo bogavana bw'orogongo Moske Paul Simba Arati chigendererete kubwatanse kegima magega yabo bwatani bekiama kia ODM kororekana gwesokia korwase kiame kyo na koligie byama binde bnenchere ya moyo kobaiketebe ngano nyamaga yabange kukagera ekiama kia ODM ase county ya Kisii nigo kerache kwariganio bochorio bokebwe kiama iliokorio yora iruruke ebandera ye kiama ekyo korende oyo korio bojumbe bwabo basi Emmanuel Moguche nigo aesokire na gukwanera enganeyo
tugo sabe chama ya ODM bali babeka masakara na project mogendrete igoro yo Moske Simba Arati tonyebeke kando mwobo ete mogata makuru echama omusiko ongeri ngwata mete guchikia makio buoyo yokoni obuoyo DAP Kenya omusiko ito CAS Chris Obule go kwagenda Jubilee omongina Janet Yongera ayeno montomia ntokonya kurwane bangina na baito ayenko irana sobo women rep bali morodi ya mwoko ba mwobo ete nomination tiga Simba kole tokenda na inwetebe kamura mobue clean otoko mokia magoko igoro
korengana na Emmanuel siasa chio mwako yo nigo chiachenchire kegima abwa saba saebe sokire asobunge na kwebwatanya na basaba mwabo bunenchere ye moyo kwene kyango babare ababuya sebirogo ao na gochencha oboraibwe chi county na boigo eboraibwe nse ya Kenya
ndobwato boraibwe county government ya Kisii kuna intu abanyene mo basi tole shareholders ba Kisii tuaumira matuka mange sana tochakerero no bulikwa basaye baitokorbo basto isoko barabali kirwe igo barabake sana tocha mangana ya magenderero ntoli konyora representation isaine intwa basaya bagakaba balirire mononga ki intutomate gasto abaire gasinande yabasinyire inki abantu baito babo basi mutari gwanchira kuna bono mwanchire monchore mongakere kura ya ino
boigo nigo aenekire merobero ya bekiro bosio ligo chakoene kia basayengoro kia bale chimbo chingi ya chinga kibune chigache chikampeni ligo chagotanga mabe akoretso na siasa
tuatemire gokora amangana akoro education public education asaba sabaito we've held social hall meetings severally tuababekire asoko gambo kuba engage igoro obuya bwo gutwara Burai na kobera so Burai
ingo reporter ya Ndizi TV ereterane Brian Sagini Isena
Biyamono omurikito Brian Sagini Isena soroboti rwa senchira yobo ikirano bono gotigana oroboti orogwika soroboti ronde abatumeki bepara ekorwa ensemo yekrenyo goikanya musigo etera misambi egotoka ensemo ya Nyamira North County ya Nyamira na sebunge ya North Mogrango ni gobalineki bakwegokeria maigaye bale yubono korosigwa amatuka make maigaye getesene kya Ndizi TV kumurekera okorinda rugo korosigwa ebali yerete ebinte binge gosareka anene abana boda boda babete bagochandeka anene kerembura ya gatura samatoka maiga nigora nabo muri kito kurase county ya Nyamira bagakumurikire bareyo asekolende serikali yemukege tambokero kyawango nakorosia ebali yubono yabekireramu no nabo nige bali yobekireramu kurwa chinsemo chekerenyo go ikamisambe asekolende ramu yatarata boka wikachinsemo chianyamusi abana boda boda nabaigona batumeke bepali nigo bakere mbiyegete sene kya Ndizi TV asoko murekerengane yo egento no nabo bagendrete kwegokeria ase ensemeyo
unabona kerenya amo etentonya korra channel Lions egocha kubwatia manganaya ngali twabwegete amaramisha ito ase station kya Ndizi TV nkyabete kego beberusha ikanyabeka kabisa TV bakabagame baito asobuwango mono bakanyora manganaya na kioro cherete pale yebono yabekire ramu erengia sana
gusabira omwezi migo itoregeti okorigente ekia sana na nina bandete gotorinda buya sana otonyoroseire pareye ntwamaite gusene chebe buna atemire mbakera mwe yabeire mbaka misambi rere to goturumbo ko mwenyenyi buoka orera bamura ba pota pota mbabwati kombreni ende yose gusaba muranaki
njege ntonda tebi Ndizi TV para bano ya rosi gorakende para njera rosi ku Jones para rosi ko rwamba ka misambira mi mate tekini Ensa Eyemo kwenda kunyamsibado baratera kora tera kumana ngoteba thanks sabantu bandis otwaseselie pare to korukuru ambaka misambi
Abwatani bekyama kia UDG kora wano mukonyi bumure wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo obomerana asegetigia Kasarani meye county ya Nairobi rituko lya lero anigago chekero keliwono Ruto anyara gwetega banne kurwa sekyama gya Jubilee ekero kelia UDA banyara komo koboko elikumubwatia asoko iruke bandera ye kyame kyobosyo bochoryo bonene bolebosyo mutinyo gatano na gatatu omwako yegabwe kiri bubere na merongebere nebere ningo chinga kiechiruta nyara kogokera abasai bali bagendrete wesokia asogo chekoligie birugo byoburai anena sobo cholyo bonene buli busyo.
The hustler nation is a young nation. The voice as well as the aspiration of Kenya's young people form an essential pillar of our movement. I therefore want to register my gratitude and appreciation and assure you of my commitment to open up opportunities for young people to thrive and drive the progress of our nation. For me, this moment has been long in coming. I have been engaged in political leadership and associated activities since my university days. Obviously, I did not have the opportunity in those days to seek presidential nomination. But I rose from the bottom of the party pyramid, working my way up until I entered party leadership and eventually became a member of the National Assembly at the age of 31.
Na boigo ase chinga kecho mukonyo murai wense William Ruto ni garo kana kubasegeta wa Kenya eganga na kiwa bwente gochoro murai oraba konya na koboboli y'abantu bonsi wesokia asobo cholyo bonne buli bosyo na wakachikura kolengana no murai orachikoba konya na kubekereneria amagendro ayini gago chekero keria agendrete we yakere koko asobo cholyo bonene buli bosyo.
Our competitors have proposed that they want to change the constitution so that they can make the judiciary to be subservient and to be accountable and to be answerable to the executive. We want to tell our competitors we will do the complete opposite. On our first day, we will operationalize the judiciary fund so that we can free the judiciary, give them financial independence so that they can discharge their responsibility of sorting out disputes, making sure that criminals are put behind bars, and making sure the corrupt find their place in jail, by making sure that they have the independence to discharge their responsibility without the current encumbrances imposed on them by resources that are not being released because there is a deliberate move to ensure that the judiciary fund has not been operationalized, yet it has been in our laws for the last 10 years.
Na chinga kichichu mbunge kurwasensemo ya Garissa Adeni Duare ni gobona tebirubuna ni gabeteka wako isiko buna kobo omuraibu abangase bunge kubwatekana n'ubwa matobu yabwate no mokonyo muraiwense William Ruto Duare ka ukwana somo yego kolekana asensemo ya Kasarani ni gatebu no muraiwense musikuru Kenyatta ni goba isaranse tasenga keyemo abwaso muraiwense uru Kenyatta motebeti buna Duare ni gabeteka kolega singia kolende egento geko garata nyolete kero gyoko bomuraibu abangase bunge nobosani bwa no bwamatobuya gati yomo ose gati yaye no mokonyo muraibu ense William Ruto na ikireta wako isikokurwa asekero gekyo.
I was the best friend of President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy. And I remember one morning in one of the most rare parliamentary groups in State House that the president engaged me and gauged me on his relationship with the deputy president. And he convinced me. Si lazima toboe. The president, for the first time in that morning, we had a 45-minute talk, man to man. And the president told me for the first time that there's something called split loyalty. That, Honorable Duale, you are the best of my best. You have delivered your duty as the first majority leader. But the problem is that you are a friend to William Ruto, and that we have completed the purge of the leadership in parliament. We have sorted out Murkomen and his team and Susan. We have sorted out Ichungua and his team in the National Assembly. But I have been told, because of your split loyalty and friendship with William Ruto, the snake is still, the head of the snake is still in parliament. And I had only one answer for President Uhuru Kenyatta, my very good friend. I told him I'm a man of God, and I'm a Muslim, and I have walked a long journey with William Ruto. I am ready to take a walk from your administration. I am ready to take a walk with the coveted constitutional office of the leader of majority than me being involved in your politics of deceit and betrayal and backstabbing. I shook his hand, and we went and walked to the parliamentary group. I will give you more when you get an opportunity to read the book that I'm about to complete.
Na go tigana na mangana yukorende asa mangana boigo alengete no moye go baka ukore kanali tukolia lero obono obomo bwazimio ni go bwa mochiri UDA maiga yoko batanga baralia na boigo abalikia mangana ase kegeke utaso asumu sangarekano yokore kana asensemo ya Kasarani. UDA ni go bono ba mochiwe na azimio aseri uko azimio babaire bakolikera abakenya na gote abunatiri buya baralia kero batangwa gota kirana somo jego yu keke magai bamanya wancheru wakoso asomo jego yu kolengane liruberio niligote abuna inge ego ba mochiri obubisi bwanyara bo kolekana usubo kwanwa ekera barali batancheru akonyara goso na kumanyiki kegendrete ensemeyo nigobo igo omuli kinabo igo yote ne campaign chia azimio omanyekete buna makao mutose Professor Makao Mutua atebire buna bono Ruto tabwene tikobo murebwense asege kolikiri tukali yaro kyoko batanga baralia nigate abuna maega yazimio gotwaro mojegobo igabarali bantere tugo sohime na kuligerelia alionsa gendrete abwase banyalete kumulekera na korokia bakenya kurwa station chiabo egentore na wabate buna igo ya orokiria sobwende buna Raila Odinga na wante kubwate sigwa asobo chorio bonebole bosi asobo asiole bwaye bogotabisa kende gyonsi kurwa sabaralia. Na chinga kichense moja wamenyukuru wa se county ya Kiambu ni goba mochiri gati yabarai wali batari kurwa amaskani gochia somurai wense omuske Uhuru Kenyatta na kogania barai bonsi kubwaterana na komuske umurai wense ekoro kilio bochorio bonebo gendrete koro beli gomutinyo gatano na gatatu mwako yo igaho shiri bubere na merongebere nebere ni gochinga kichi chinkwana somo sangara kolekana sense moyathika oroka na komochia wali batari kurwa amaskani gochia somuske oboigoro muraiwense Uhuru Kenyatta.
Tumekasirika sana kwa sababu uwezi kuja kutusi mfalme kwake nyumbani. Kutusi mfalme kwake nyumbani kwa sababu mfalme ameteuliwa tayari na tutateua mfalme mwingine baada ya uchaguzi.
Watu wamekuja kutukana wa president huku Kiambu. Walikuta campaign zao Thika sana sana. Tunawaambia kila mtu akuje auze sera zake bila matusi. Sio watu wa kupangwa. Sisi already tumejipanga na tunasema tutafuata president wetu kwa sababu huyo ndiye baba wetu na ndiye baba wa taifa.
To ask for votes in Kiambu, you have to do it in decorum and you have to do it with respect to the leaders of that county. Whether you are from Kiambu or from within.
Gotigara asensemo ya Mount Kenya umugavana we county ya Kirinyaga Ani Waiguru ni gobono atebire baguchikonekya nkumubwatsi bale omukonyo umure wense William Ruto asobo cholyo bone bule bosi Waiguru ka okwana litukolia lero ni gate abuna ase obocholyo bone ne bwaite to mwaka bwechiri bubere na 15 na ibere ni gensemo ya Mount Kenya yali etehira yokumwanchira omora ibwense oyuro omoske Kenyatta kogambe miaka 10 eliwa mayo kumwanchira William Samoei Ruto yolengo mokonyo ye nero guchiko gamba miaka 10 igate bira guchiko eneki abamenyi n'abantaba ngo kurasa nsemo ya Mount Kenya ngo mwakira bali chikura sobonge William Samoei Ruto eligo chiko gamba se miaka 10 erobosi unomura ibwenso gatano aiga sense ya Kenya.
And so we say as people of Mount Kenya, we will stand with one William Samoei Ruto. We will stand with William Samoei Ruto because he has a plan for this country. We will stand with William Samoei Ruto because he has a vision to uplift the people who are the lowest in this country. And therefore, we want to ask those of us who have not made their mind, especially on our region, wega orehagona wega. A good deed is paid with a good deed. We will repay him with a good deed. Tulisema 10 yetu na 10 yake. Sisi tumeamua lazima tupatie William Samoei Ruto 10 zake. Kwa hivyo tutamalizia hapo nikisema asante sana and want to assure you, Your Excellency, of our support, and no matter the persecution, even if they arrest us, even if they charge us, watubanduki kwa UDA, and we will not move away from the side of Kenya Kwanza. God bless you and God be with you. Asanteni.
Thank you.
Na gotigana na mangana siasa goikasa mangana arengete chisemi abakori mirimo kurase University ya Eldoret UAE University of Eldoret ni gobono batebire mbali guchikoira nemirimo kubwatekana no gotaikira ni gwamagani yabo banyarete kobekansa so mwaka bw'ikiri bubere na 15 n'ibere wiko mwaka bw'ikiri bubere na 20 noyomo ni gobagoserere gotaira nemirimo maiga yoko gendera no mugirobo ekero bagani obotendi bo University yoko igwebero byabo iromo guchikoira na nakoge.
We have enough money. What they want to pay us through a voucher is the same money we wish to have it in the payroll. Yes. Get it right. It is not the lack of money. It is the money which has to be executed in an orderly manner as per the CPA. Get it right. We are hurting our clients and the council should come into our rescue. Our students are suffering. And if we karibuni, they will join the bandwagon. And we will not allow that to degenerate to that point. They are giving our jobs to the lecturers. The jobs that should be done by the technical staffs are being given to the lecturers, and this is really hurting us. You'll find the insubordinate staffs are the ones who are acting as secretaries, but they're not being given that money. We are really being hurt. We are not happy. We need a change. We want to talk to the council. It seems the council doesn't know what's going on here. We want our rights, and if we'll be given our rights, we'll be a happy university.
Paying through the voucher, paying 4 months only, that one we have refused. And we have said the salaries of workers should be implemented forever.
Wanchumurigeri bono nyoronsia yani gogendrete ko yanyora wetera Ndizi TV obwansu bomugusi go ikirabono nko yakiro musumali amangana mayase nchiro yobo ikirano Ensa Eyemo yabono margoba chikuragesa zochi yabo tukobuna botambe aseri boningira na SMS yeganyare ko gosansamuranira nago kumanya bunagendrete wateka boigoni go twali kubwaterana asensemende kurwa sumu no hwimanyererio nere Joshua uta bali mwensu abwaterana nko bakirambye muno nayo murigeri yasogo chora ko yatengera kurwa Ndizi TV retirane nkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.
burigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ryubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinga kichindi chonsi elio bwekere abarigereria kuruchi county sana na ibire echuchira sorogo nkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba